What's up guys, it's Emmanuel. Today we're gonna install some Supra logos inside of the engine. Let's do it. Okay guys, so today we're gonna install something very simple, but that I wanted to do for a long time. Some decals. Let me show you where do I want these decals. Let's open the hood. All right, let's open it. And this, it says Toyota Supra. So I wanna make this in red. So let's put the decal. Let's see if it fits. Let's do that next. Okay, before installing the decal for this one, make sure you remove all the grease or the alcohol from the plastic, because if you don't remove that, it's not gonna stick the decal. Okay, and it feels super smooth. Okay, so let me see if I can remove it with the alcohol. Let's do that. Look at this. It looks amazing. You can see it, man. Look at that. Woo. Looks super cool, beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Yes, so this is how the white looks. Remember, if you don't remove the alcohol from the plastic, it's hard to stick the letters. Okay, but it looks amazing. Look at that. Okay, so this is the blue color. It looks nice too, but remember to clean this very good, because this ain't sticking. Okay, so I have to clean it again, but I'm not gonna leave it in blue. This is just to show you how it looks in blue, but I'm gonna put now the carbon fiber. Let's see how it looks. Alright, so you can see this looks beautiful. Remember, you need to clean it with the degreaser, because if you don't do that, the letters won't stick. So I'm having a hard time to stick these ones, the Toyota letters, in here, because it has a lot of grease, man, a lot of the alcohol. So get a degreaser or clean it with a dish soap, like a Dawn, and clean it, and then you can stick the decal, because if you don't clean it very good, it's not gonna stick. Okay, so So, but you can see it looks amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, man. Beautiful. Let me know in the comments what color do you like more. Red, white, blue. I have yellow too. But I did it in yellow because that's, yeah, I mean I did it in red because that's red and red and red. Okay? So let me know what you guys think. Remember this, the link for this decal is gonna be in the description of the video down below. Okay guys, those are the decals for the under the hood on the plastic, the Supra logos, Toyota Supra logos for the Supra. I did it in red, so they look amazing, but I have more colors available and the link is gonna be in the description of the video down below. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.